Hi everybody, stay with us for just a minute while we get the RV set up. You are not going to believe what we paid for this campground. It was $0. And we get free 50 amp electric with it. Wow, that is amazing. Well, we made it to our spot here at Columbus, Nebraska, Lake North Campground. It's totally free and you have 50 amp hookups. I don't know who decided that, but thank you. This is a great spot for free. This is how we keep our camping average under $7 a night. Real numbers, like always. So here's our campsite today. We are in Nebraska, Columbus, Nebraska, and we even have 50 amp hookups for free. This is a free campsite, and it's not full, it's not booked up, and you're right here at Lake North and Lake Babcock in Nebraska. Beautiful. And I did a thing, and this is the thing I did. I went and bought us a little inflatable catamaran with a Honda engine. So Kenny and I are going to take it out today for our first trip. I bought a 12-foot inflatable catamaran and a Honda 5 horsepower motor. Mom thinks I'm crazy, but I'm super excited. It all fits in a bag, the boat, the oars, the pump, the whole thing. And the motor rides in the side-by-side. This is our first time out on the water with it, and I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous and a lot excited. But look at this, this is amazing. It's so smooth, like ridiculously smooth and quiet. I thought the motor would be louder. This is why we do this. We find a free spot, we pull out something unexpected, and we just enjoy the ride. It takes about 10 minutes to break it all down, dry it off, fold it up, put it back in the bag. In fact, it was so quick, Kenny had it done before I could film it. If your RV smells after dumping, you need Liquified. Liquified is what fixed it for us. Liquified has a great bottle. It has a measuring chamber right here. You just take it off. You squeeze up to the fill line. And then you dump it in the toilet. So there's no guessing, there's no spilling. I'll put a link in the bio. There's SEEKERS for a 20% discount off your purchase of Liquified. It really works. And it's grandma's got her seal of approval. But now's the part that kind of stinks. Moving on to our next spot. We're hooked up and we're ready to roll. So that's Lake North, free camping, a boat ride, and a new toy we're going to use a lot this summer. Here's my question for you. If you could bring one unexpected thing on the road with you, what would it be? Drop it in the comments. I'm genuinely curious. Just remember, life is good, and we'll see you in the next one.